Hey, what's up, everyone? I heard this in a clip, and I thought that didn't sound right. Even though the title still says it's going to be me, and then it's going to be May, but it sounds like he's saying me now more than ever.
It's gonna be me.
I remember the entire song, not any line in this song did it even sound like he was saying me. It sounded like it's gonna be May. So, does that sound right to you?
It's gonna be me.
It sounds more like me more than ever than it ever did before.
It's gonna be me.
What do you think? Shouldn't it sound more like May than that?
It's gonna be me.
Give your thoughts. Signing out.